Hi, Miss Myra. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Myra Rojas Escalante, and I'm 44 years old, and also I'm single mother. I'm currently living in Magalang, Pampanga, Philippines.
Do you have any kids?
Yes, I have three kids. Ages 24 years old girl, 19 and 10 years old boy.
How many siblings do you have?
I have four. I have one brother and two sisters. I am number three of the family.
Tell me about your educational background.
High school graduate.
Do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, I have.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, I finished contract.
For how many years?
I got experience as domestic helper for 5 years in Hong Kong with three employers.
What is your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper?
To taking care of the kids, and also I am my employment. I am responsible to keeping the house clean and tidy.
How would you describe yourself?
I am organizing and also self-motivated and hardworking.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
I don't know.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, I don't know.
Why do you want to work abroad?
Because I want to work in Singapore because in a higher salary so that I can provide financial support for my family.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Give me an idea, can you take care of another children and children with tantrums?
I will talk to them about it in a calm voice. That being naughty is, that is not it is not good.
What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I hope you choose me. I promise. I finish my contract and I will do my best to be a good working, and I can assure you that I'm hard working and do multitasking. If you have kids, I will love them as my own. And if you have a rules regulation and that you give it to me, I will follow them as long as it is safe. Thank you very much.